one word from God can change your life. That's why I've stepped out in the prophetic. My name is Piven Bridges, and you're listening to Daily Prophetic.
My provision for you will not lack. My provision for you will give you that which you need for each day. I will give you not only the basic things, but I will give you exactly what is needed. Trust in me and trust in my ability to provide. Trust in my ability to give you fresh bread each day. I will give you bread in the physical realm, but bread in the spiritual realm too, for I will meet your spiritual needs. Trust me that I am the provider, body, soul, and spirit. I will give you that which is needed. I will give you more than enough. Trust me that I am the provider, that I am the one who is your source. Would you like a personal prophetic word? Check out the website in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to get your daily word of encouragement. And whilst you're here, why not have a look at some other of the videos that I've made? God bless you and have a really great day.